Hello and welcome to Feely Finance. This is episode 18 of building an investment portfolio from £0 to £100,000. It's been a topsy-turvy week for the stock market. The S&P 500 was initially on the rise. However, on Friday, we had the Trump tariff announcement combined with a week's jobs report in the US, and that sent the S&P 500 tumbling. During trading yesterday, the S&P 500 did recoup some of those losses that incurred on Friday, and it's moving in the right direction again. I only invest in one fund, and that is the Vanguard S&P 500 accumulation fund, which is ticker code VUAG on the London Stock Exchange. I use a dollar cost averaging approach whereby I invest £385 each and every week, and that equates to £20,000 per annum. I'll show you this week's purchase, and I'll also show you my portfolio as a whole, so let's get into it. This graph shows how the S&P 500 has performed across the past 5 days. You can see that initially it was on the rise and it was trading in excess of 6,400. However, there was a sharp drop on Friday in response to the Trump tariffs and also the week's jobs report from the US. During trading yesterday, the S&P 500 did recoup some of those losses, and it closed yesterday at 6,329. So it's down 1.18% across the past 5 days. So it's down significantly, but it is heading in the right direction again. This is my purchase for the week. So I bought £385 worth of VUAG. At a price of £90.28, so that bought me 4.264 shares, and that was executed yesterday on the 4th of August. So yeah, the price this week is slightly lower than last week, obviously as a result of the S&P 500 weakening, and also the dollar versus pound exchange rate has been relatively flat across the past week. This is my portfolio as a whole, so I now own 83.16 shares of VUAG at an average price of £83.33. My total value is £7,600.75. I'm in the green. I'm up at £670.75, which represents a gain of 9.68%. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.